12-20, State versus Melissa Need, delivery of controlled substances, Adderall, oxycodone, marijuana, all near certain facilities. Ma'am, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you're appearing here for an arraignment on a petition which has been filed to revoke your probationary period.
We've gone over that petition, Your Honor. We're going to enter a plea of true to the allegations based on a recommendation of the state that her terms and conditions all stay in effect with the exception that she be sentenced to 120 days in the RCF facility.
Okay.
That is correct, Your Honor. In essence, she would be sentenced anew to 4 years probation with one of the condition terms that she'd have 120 days at the regional punishment facility. All the fines, costs, etc. that were assessed in the original case would all remain the same. And Judge, this plea, she has pending charges in Marion County. This plea doesn't cover those. This is merely the Baxter County revocation.
I'm looking at a petition which was filed to revoke your probationary period. The paperwork says what you allegedly did or didn't do to violate your probation. Have you gone over that document?
No, sir.
You haven't. Okay, your lawyer probably went over that with you. You might not have.
About the allegations, about the drug testing.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Are you entering a plea of true to some or all of these allegations?
Yes, sir. All.
All of them, okay. You have a right to a hearing where the state would have to prove that you've in fact violated the conditions of your probation. Pleading true, you give up your right to that hearing. Do you understand you're doing that?
Yes, sir.
You also cannot appeal when you enter a plea of true. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than what was stated here in court, have you been promised anything other than that to change your plea?
No, sir.
You've been threatened in any manner?
No, sir.
Okay. And is it in fact true that you were in possession of some drug paraphernalia while on probation?
Yes, sir.
You had, and you had some controlled substances that were not prescribed, or took some? Is
It's not a controlled substance, no, sir.
you didn't do that? Okay. It says conspiracy to deliver marijuana and theft of property.
Out of Marion, yes, sir.
Okay. This time, I'm going to find that you violated the terms and conditions of your probationary period and revoke your probation. And is this 60 months to begin again?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. At this time, for delivery of Adderall, you'd be placed on 60-month probation. Also for delivery of oxycodone, the same sentence, 60 months. Delivery of marijuana, you'd be placed on 12 months probation. A condition of the felony probation is that you do, what, is 120?
Yes, Judge.
120 days in the community what we call it now?
CCC, I think.
CCC, Community Correction Center, I guess. Again, you'll be ordered to pay $200 cost, a $1,000 fine, a $20 booking fee, drug crime assessment of $125, DNA fine of $250, $155 in restitution. Pay the sums you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after your release. You make your payments to the Sheriff's Department.
Yes, sir.
Anything further?
No, Your
I
Honor.
don't believe so, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Yes, sir.
State versus Jeremy Witt. Conspiracy to obtain a controlled substance by fraud. Obtaining a controlled substance by fraud. 11-277.
Your Honor, does it reflect if he's been arraigned on this yet?
No, he is not.
We'll enter a plea of not true to the allegations.
hearing on May 9th?
That's what we would request, Your Honor. We may need to get some records from Missouri, but that should not be